Yeah, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel, Joe Udo Vibes. I live in Cambodia, and this is a cool evening here in Cambodia. The time is 5 p.m. evening in Cambodia. I'm out here in the streets of Phnom Penh. You can see around. Okay, let me just take you guys along with me. Let's see what we can be able to buy. Where they sell street food. Yo, in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Okay. See that? Wow. So as for me, I need to let me see what I can be able to buy this side. I need to buy Cambodia street food. These shops over here. These are shops, you know. So cool, guys. Let me get some street food over here, guys. You know. Yeah. It's nice out here. It's cool. Look at the way the people looking at me, smiling. Hey. It's awesome, guys. Okay. Let me see what I can be able to get this evening. You see that? This roasted chicken. They are still roasting the chicken here. You know, it's good. Hey, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. So that's nice. Yeah. Okay. I think I need to sit somewhere now. Let me just sit down and get something to eat, you know. Let's see what I will buy. Hello. Yeah. So good. Yeah, it's nice. Okay guys, now I need to get a street food to eat, you know. Yeah, can I need to sit down somewhere and eat something, you know. Let me sit down and eat something. Okay, this, I think I get this. Hello. This one? Yeah. Yeah, noodle.
Noodle.
Yeah.
Noodle.
This one noodle?
Yeah.
This one? Okay.
One, two?
I want to sit down and eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So So this is how it goes over here, guys. So I think I have to sit down here and eat. Where can I sit down? Here? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hello. Hello. So now she's about to prepare what I told her I need. Mom? 10,000 real. That's dollar. $2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's nice. That's I think Cambodia fried rice.
Yeah.
Hello, baby. Hello. So we are out here, guys. I'm out here to eat something this cool evening. Eat something. Yeah, okay. So it's ready, the food is ready, so I'm about to eat now. You can see it look delicious. It's cool, guys. So look delicious, man. Nice. This is $2. It's cool. Okay, I have to eat now.
Cho con của bạn nặng môi nữa. Con của bạn.
See this vegetable, they use the vegetable to prepare the noodles, you know. So you see how they peel out the vegetables, cut it. You have to cut the vegetable, peel it out, then use it to prepare the fried rice and the noodles, you know. It's awesome, man. Very nice. guys. I'm still eating this fried noodles. There's a fried noodles I got here, you know. So enjoying it, you know. So delicious to taste. You see? Down over here, they also sells fried chicken and so many street food down here, you know. So, but I choose to eat here, you know. Okay, let me finish up. Then we still walk down, film around there. Good. Alright, I'm done eating the fried noodles and the rice. I'm done. So let's walk down here and film the people around, you know. Film Cambodia people around. And those that came to buy some street food, you see them here. What's this they are buying? Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. So many street food out here. Just this street, they sell street food, you know. The lady busy counting her money. So good, guys. All right. Cool, guys. So you can see around this food, this street, all the sales here is street food, you know. So cool evening, Cambodia people, they do come out here, you know, buy street food and all that. So good. Buy. What's the name? Name? Chicken. Oh. Huh? How much? 15,000.
Yeah.
Okay. I come back tomorrow. Tomorrow I will come back and buy.
Yeah.
Now I eat over here. I eat already over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I come back tomorrow. I will buy from you tomorrow. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. What's your name? What's your name?
My name's Sophia.
My name's Joe.
Yeah.
Okay. It's good, man. You see this fried chicken? This is the way she roasts the chicken, guys. Woo! Roasted chicken. Wow. It's nice. Okay. Roasting the chicken. Woo. Okay. Okay, let me get these guys over here. It's nice. Good one. Okay. Let's get the guys over here, man. It's nice to get here. Hello, how are you? Hello. Nice. Good one. These restaurants over here, people come to eat, you know. Okay. We go down, guys. Whoa, man. Okay. Okay, I have to get these guys over here. See the way they're smiling, waving at me. No? Okay, we get them. Hello. We get them, guys. Hello. How are you? You speak English? J English? Oh. It's nice. It's good. I'm filming, I'm vlogging. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, my name Joe. Joe. Yeah. Bye bye. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think I have to change location, you know. Let's change location. Yeah. Good. Okay guys, you thanks for watching my videos, and you don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You tell your mama subscribe, you tell your brother subscribe. You guys to subscribe. See you guys on my next video. Stay blessed and enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.